Well, it's positivity time again today, and what are we doing? We're doing tea, and we're talking about a brand new subject. That's really nice. I think it's really cool that we've been able to stay at home from the end of March.
24th of March.
So it's a good thing to do, but there are a lot of people who are calling you out now.
Yeah,
Right?
calling out as in they are asking us to go out, meet them, and things like that.
Yeah.
And the biggest thing right now, what we feel is that how is it that we can keep ourselves indoors? That is the biggest thing. And what is it that you don't let play on your mind?
Yeah, and it's like not that we've not gone out at all. Whenever
Yeah.
it is necessary, we do go out.
Yeah.
However, it is always safer. But then, also I think that the reason why people are getting like this is because they've been there for so long.
Yeah.
If it's like 4 5 months, never in your lifetime have we ever been out, or rather in a house for so long.
Yeah.
Also, it means that then you give very much more time to somebody like your spouse or your children or your family.
Yeah.
So beyond the point, the just the fact that everybody's together kind of becomes a burden on you. You say, okay, now let me break free from this and go out. I think
Yeah.
that's one big reason.
I also think that somewhere our guard has gone down. As if I look around in the society, I feel that people are less cautious now. They don't want to wear the mask all the time. They don't want to maintain the social distancing. Like if I am stepping out and I bump into somebody at the ATM, and that person is known to me, they want to come and stand very close to you. They don't want to like stand few meters away. That entire mindset with which we started in March, that mindset has shifted, and that I think is our undoing.
I think it's very largely because we as a society are an individualistic society.
Yeah.
We live for the me, right? As long as we do not think that the me is threatened, we think everything is okay. And that's why we say कि पता है कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है.
मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ, और I am very optimistic.
Yes, very optimistic. Everybody is
हाँ.
very optimistic that it will never happen to
हाँ.
me. However, to the contrary, all of us, I think, within our families, our friends circle, around us, colleagues, etc., have lost people over the last 2, 3, 4
We
weeks.
have 1,000, no, how many
Deaths
deaths
a
happening
day.
a day?
Exactly.
Like,
That's a large
huge.
statistic from anywhere.
Yes.
Not only that, also I think that because people have been home for so long, yeah, there is that thing of change. All my life I've never stayed at home for this long a period ever, even if I've gone on holiday.
Yeah.
So that's a huge thing.
Yeah.
I think that's why people are kind of, it's becoming the thing that now let's take the risk.
Also, I think that somewhere we are not very, as a society in India, because we are in India and we are talking about India, is that we don't feel responsible for others' goods, like the good for others.
That's right. Yeah. For instance, you wear the mask more for other people than for yourself. That's one big reason.
Yeah.
And people really don't get the fact that at the end of the day we collectively have to do
Yeah,
it.
if
It can't be
every-
if all of us individually.
Take small risks, then what will happen is that as a collective, as a society, that risk becomes bigger, because
That's-
everybody is taking, like somebody goes to a bar or a nightclub or a restaurant and they take a small risk. Now everybody says that okay, they talk to one person or 5 people in the restaurant, so they are exposed to 5 people and they have taken that small risk of being exposed in close proximity when the waiter will come and serve you and blah blah. Now if everybody takes these small risks, they all become like a big risk, and that's what is happening, because there are areas which are they've gone beyond the red alert now.
Very true. And also the fact that a lot of people, when I said call you out in the beginning, I meant that you go to somebody's house, or you're even in a neighborhood, and then somebody says, आ जाओ ना घर, मतलब तुम डरते हो क्या?
Yeah.
It is not a fact of डर. To me, that wouldn't be डर at all. To me, the question is that if I fall sick, just on the financial point of view, in any case we're so badly burdened, we don't realize that on average it will cost me about say 4-5 lakh rupees to
10
get
lakhs.
okay again, 10 lakh rupees to get okay again. Do I want to do that? Do you want to do that? Is a big question that we should be asking ourselves. I mean, should we be more circumspect and more careful about what we're doing?
Yeah, and the examples, I feel that there's a shift in the example that people are taking. Like when this pandemic started in Noida, there was a party where a lot of these teenagers had gone, and there was a talk that okay, there should be no parties, there should be no get-togethers. However, the risk at that point of time was much less, but now it is, you don't know who has it and who hasn't.
Yeah.
And all the risks that we were taking in the first 2-3 months, I think those the precautions that we were taking in the first 2-3 months
should have gone up, not down.
Yeah, now the precaution should go up.
That's
but
right.
now maids are coming to the house, people are going out to eat. So it's like a vicious
I think it's
circle.
also catch-22 exactly, because
Yeah.
a lot of times how do you make financial ends meet, all of that is also part of it. But I'd say in that circumstance, जितना आपको जरूरी है,
That's all.
उतना करो, उससे आगे मत करो, अपने आप को entertain
Yeah,
करो,
if you have-
find your own
हाँ.
ways of making the best balance at home.
Absolutely, and we'll talk about balance in our next video, that how you create the balance.
That's right. But for now, I think, okay, one, don't judge people. Don't say, oh my God, because you're not coming to my house, you're a loser. Don't do that. Don't judge people. The second thing is that accept the circumstance for what it is, be cognizant of the risks, and always protect yourself. If we all protect ourselves, we will be a safe country. If half of us protect ourselves, or we think that, wearing your mask here or wherever else you want to wear it is cool, it's not cool, because at the end of the day, you're putting yourself at risk and you're putting the other person at risk. So we have to be careful about these things.
Yeah,
Right?
and I think that if we work as a society collectively, that's the only way out till the time the vaccine is there. And when the vaccine has come out and it's approved by WHO or your medical heads, I don't think it's going to reach us the day the vaccine. Everybody is like reading the news or when the vaccine is going to be out. It's not like कि आज निकली और आपको आज मिल गई. It's not going to happen like that. First, the healthcare workers plus all the people, millions of people who are infected, they would first be treated with the vaccine, and then आपकी बारी आएगी.
बिल्कुल.
और आपकी बारी भी बाद में आएगी अगर आप young हो. पहले the people who are more susceptible, like the elderly, the senior citizens, or the people who have heart problems, diabetes, they will be first.
That's right. So Sanyam is very, very important for us. We think that we can't see the end of it. So how does it matter? Let's go and take the risk. That's another thing that's on everybody's mind. So be careful, be safe, be protected, be happy, keep a smile on your face, and just go about doing what you normally do.
Do only necessary things.
Only what is necessary, and don't forget, one thing that you definitely need to do is like and subscribe and do all of that on the channel, because that will also allow us to get more positivity, and we'll see you next week on another episode of Positivity. Till then, it is a bye from
Us. Bye.